afternoon. Dito na naman kami, naglaro kami ng tennis. Kasama ko yung yan. Yan, si Kati, si Leah. Sino pangalan ng isa nun? Tapos ito, ang coach namin. Gab, okay lang ba sa'yo?
Oo.
Video ka. Yan ang coach namin, si Gabi, Filipino yan. Coach ng tennis.
YouTube?
YouTube.
Nagpa-vlog ba kayo?
Oo, nagbablog ako.
Ayos ah.
Yan si Gabi, kung sinong gusto, siya ang coach.
Thank you.
Yan, tapos,
Meron,
yan.
meron kang marami kang followers?
Ha? Ayan. Yan ang mga bata namin.
Ayan!
Yan.
Ayan! Ayan!
Lakasan mo.
Ayan ang tennis court namin. Yung bahay. Yan ba yan? Ayan si Sammy. Oh, Sammy.
Ano yan, naka-vlog ka na?
Remember your score, Samuel. Keep your score. Not too close, Mr. Samuel. Argument, get your pace. Please practice.
Yan.
Go! One. Ball. Return. Go. Play. Two-hander.
Ay, nandito kami naglalaro ng tennis.
Ready? Five, four, three, two, one. Play. Good try. Back. One.
Go, Samuel! Yay!
Play it like this, not like this. Five, four, three, two, one. Out. Four. Out. One for you. One more to be here.
Go, Samuel! Go! Yes, that's good. Arjun!
Four. Ready. Six. Ready. Ready. Okay, ready. Go. Turn. Finish. Finish. Good. Go. Play. Good. Go.
Arjun! Oh, sure!
One more to beat him. One more. Out. Champ is Arjun.
Hi,
Four.
yes, nandito kami sa tennis court ngayon. Naglalaro yung mga bata namin ng tennis hanggang 6 o'clock.
Four.
Yeah, please subscribe, likes, and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day to everyone. Bye!